In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert viewports and layouts in AutoCAD. We will move from model space to a clean professional layout by creating and controlling viewports, which are framed windows that display your model at a chosen scale on a sheet. First, switch to paper space. This takes you into the sheet environment where you arrange how your drawing will look when printed. Think of paper space as your virtual sheet of paper, while model space is where the actual design lives. Next, let's create a viewport. There are two easy ways to do this. If you prefer the keyboard, type MV and press Enter. Your cursor will change, and you can click once to set one corner and again to set the opposite corner. Creating a rectangular viewport. If you like using the ribbon, go to the Layout tab and find the Layout Viewports panel. Click the rectangular option, then pick two opposite corners on your sheet to place the viewport. Either way, you'll see a frame appear, showing a live view into model space. Now, set a precise scale. Click once on the viewport's frame to select it. Look to the bottom right of your screen for the scale controls and choose a standard scale such as 1 or 150 am. Using this list ensures accuracy and consistency, which is essential for plotting and for aligning dimensions or annotations. To fine-tune what the viewport shows, double-click inside the frame. You are now temporarily in model space through the viewport. Use your mouse to pan and zoom until the exact area is centered and sized the way you want. Keep it smooth, and intentional small moves help preserve the scale you chose. When you are happy, double-click outside the viewport to return to paper space. Finally, lock the viewport to protect your setup. With the viewport selected, click the padlock icon on the status bar. When it shows locked, your view and scale are safe from accidental panning or zooming. This simple step prevents last-minute surprises before you print. That's it. Thanks for watching.